Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to today's evening session. And this question comes from Delhi. Someone has asked a question on volatility and how to measure it and how to sort of handle it. So, if you can see on the screen, you have India VIX, which measures the volatility for Nifty 50. And this is inversely related or inversely proportional to Nifty 50. So, if Nifty 50 goes up, this goes down, and if Nifty goes down, this goes up. Now, with regards to your question on volatility, let us first go and measure using this measurement tool. Uh, the volatility spiked up on 21st December, and if you can measure it, this was up by almost 24, almost about 24 odd percentage points. The movement was from 18 points to about directly to 23 points, which is a movement of about 24 odd percentages. Now, when you have this kind of movement in VIX or volatility, you rather will shut down your computers, because this can accentuate your profits or losses. Till the time you're having profits, you're very happy but when it accentuates your losses, you really panic. Now, what do I mean by accentuates your losses? So, if on a daily basis or on a regular day, if you would make a loss of say about 1%, 3%, or 5% due to increased volatility, your losses could be 10%, 15%, or sometimes even 20%. So you really got to be careful of the volatility. If it spikes up, if it goes in the wrong direction, you rather hold your trading for some time and not trade at all. This is a general piece of advice that I give to all my listeners and students and investment family members. However, very few people abide to it. If you are aware of a very famous case in 1987, when the volatility spiked so much that the people who had written the Black-Scholes formula, the LTCM guys, long-term capital management guys, back in 1987, they went bankrupt. And those are the guys who have actually devised your options call and put formula. So you really got to be careful with volatility. Volatility within a certain range in a regular range is okay, but if it really spikes up, you really got to be careful. A similar sort of volatility was observed around March period, and specifically around 23rd of March when the lockdown was announced. So you got to be really, really careful of volatility. Volatility needs to be played well. It is a double-edged sword, and it can kill you also. So you got to be really careful. And very quickly, I'm gonna show you what happened around March time frame, and this will help you in deciding as to how volatility can be rather dangerous and could kill you. So, if you look at the volatility in the March period, specifically around 20th, between 24th of Feb and 25th of March, this really spiked up, and the volatility increase in volatility was about, and let me just measure this for you. This was about 537 points. Ooh, this was really, really big number, and that is why most of you who are trading on these days probably got stuck. So you would wait for the volatility to stabilize before you even think that this is the bottom of the market. So this is all from my side. Signing off, and I hope the concept on volatility helps you and saves you from the losses. Take care of yourself, and goodbye for now.